Hey, what's up, fam? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to find out what are the best apps that you can use right now that'll make you money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to reveal the 3 best apps that'll make you money in 2019. If you want to find out, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 best apps that will make you money in 2019. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded on my channel. Now, let me talk to you small YouTubers out there. Are you having problems getting views and subscribers to your channel? Well, if you are, I have the tool that you can use right now that will help you increase your views and subscribers. All you have to do is just click on the link below where it says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers on your YouTube channel. It has helped me go from 20 subscribers all the way to almost 300 subscribers in a matter of weeks. So go ahead and download that software. It's absolutely free. Just click on the link below. Again, it says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers. So click on that link right now. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you know the best apps you can use right now in 2019 that will make you money. So without further ado, let's hop over here to my computer and let me show you. All right, I'm on the internet and this is the first app. It's called Nelson. And it says here, make your internet usage count. So let's scroll down here and let's see where it says why join. By participating in Nelson research, you can improve products and services you use online today. Nelson computer and mobile panel combines your unique internet usage with people like you to build a picture of internet behavior. By using the internet as you do every day, we invite you to make a difference and you can win prizes. Nelson gives away $10,000 each month. So you get to win $10,000 each month just for having this app installed on your phone. And let's look on here and see how it works. It says here, all you have to do is when you sign up, answer our registration questions to tell us more about you, your household, and your devices you use. Then you install the app, download our safe and secure Nelson app to all of your registered devices. And then you earn rewards after you've installed the app. Get rewarded just for using the internet as you do today. So it does give rewards just for installing the app. So you get rewarded just installing the app. And also you'll be enrolled in sweepstakes to win that $10,000. And so if you want to learn more about this, and you have to join it to find out exactly how much money you're going to be getting, but you will be getting money just for signing up on this app. All right, let's go to app number 2. I'm at the next app. It's called Coin Out, Cash Back Anywhere. And it says here, Coin Out is the easiest way to earn cash, shop in store, scan any receipt, Buy online, earn instant cash, cash out to bank, PayPal, or Amazon. And let's go ahead and read a little bit more about it. Okay, it says upload any receipt in the app and earn cash back. You don't have to find a specific deal. You don't have to find specific deals or take time to see if a certain retailer is on the program. Just snap and earn. Receipts need to be uploaded within 2 weeks of original purchase and include date, retail name, items purchased, bill amount, and be readable. Our software will cancel non-receipts and non-readable transactions automatically. So you got to make sure these receipts are clear and readable when you take a picture of them. And let's see what else it says here. Buy online, earn cash back, get 2x in-store receipt bonuses for a week of after buying. New badges with partner offers to earn. So I guess you'll learn about badges once you go ahead and install this app. Now let's look at the key features on here. Said no financial information needed, absolutely no customer fees, exclusive sweepstakes and promotions, universal receipt access, great swag for our top customers. All right, let's go ahead and read some of the views of these customers. And it says here, I love this coin out app. Each receipt earns you money back into a account. Easy money, completely random, and can vary between 1 cent and 20 cents. So that's how much you're going to be getting for each receipt. But if you are going to, to a lot of stores or going to get gas, so you could take pictures of receipts all day long, so that 20 cents will add up. So let's read another one here. They say this is a pretty cool app. I've only been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't tried to cash out yet. My review of the app may change after that experience, depending on the process. So they haven't cashed out yet, but they're probably going to let it accumulate. And, once they get a large amount, they'll probably go ahead and cash out. So if you're interested in this app, go ahead and download it. This is available on Apple. I don't think it's available on Google Play. So if you have an Apple iPhone, you can go ahead and download this app. Let's go to the third and final app. All right, here's the final app. It's called Survey Junkie. And yes, this is a survey app, but it's a very good survey app. So let's read on here and see what it's all about. Survey Junkie is the most popular app to earn cash and rewards for your opinions. So it says on here, welcome to Survey app, where incentives and influence meet to create a better tomorrow. Survey Junkie is an online community with over 11 million members dedicated to making your voice heard. When large companies are creating new products or updating current ones, they need people like you and me to share valuable insight, because at the end of the day, your voice is essential to brands' decision-making process. Take fun and interesting surveys, then redeem your points and cash out your rewards. It's simple and straightforward. Your voice helps make a difference, so you get paid to do it. All right, let's scroll down here and say let's see, how to earn your points. You must successfully complete surveys, profile questionnaires, or take other rewardable actions to earn points. You'll know when an action is rewarded if it has designated points displayed within a green button. How do I redeem my points? To redeem your points, click My Points from the navigation bar drop-down menu, or click Current Points from the user dashboard once you're on the My Points page. Follow these steps. So if you have reached a minimum 1,000 points, you're eligible to redeem your rewards. Here are the following methods: cash using PayPal, Popular gift cards, or direct to your bank transfer. All right, let's just go ahead and read down here and read this review. All right, it says right here, you can make, it says Survey Junkie, and as you can see, the ratings is 4.5. That's not bad. 4.5 out of 5 stars. Okay, it says you can make money fast. I signed up and got paid the next day. So if you need money fast, this is something you can do and get paid the next day. Say very easy and quick. Got my money sent to my PayPal fast. Not much, but hell, making a little side money won't hurt, because it doesn't hurt me. It came in handy, so of course I rate this app 5 stars. So if you're interested in checking out this app and making a little extra money, go ahead and download it. It's Survey Junkie, and it's available on iPhone and Android. So you can go to the App Store, Apple App Store, or Google Play Store. So there you have it. Now you know the 3 best apps that'll make you money in 2019. So go ahead and download those apps right now and start making that extra money. Now, thank you for watching this video to the very end. And for doing so, I'm going to give you guys a proposition. If you guys can help me to get to 300 subscribers, I'm currently at 272. If you guys can help me get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with $20 cash. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward that person with the money. So just leave a comment down below and leave a comment in all my future videos that leading up to the 300 subscribers. And once I get to the 300 subscribers, I'm going to pick that comment and reward that person with the $20 cash. So help me get to 300 subscribers right now. All right, that's all I have for today for this video. Please give me a like if you like what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give out this free money. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Now that's it. I'm finished, but you don't have to leave just yet. You can watch my recommended video right here, or you can watch my most recent video right here. Right after I tell you this. Go get your grind on, because the grind is real.